Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about tattooing in entry wound of firearm injury is due to the smoke. Smoke will cause tattooing in the patient. In firearm injury, blackening is seen around the entry wound. In firearm injury, blackening is seen around the entry wound due to smoke. Dirt color and grease color is seen in firearm entry wound. You can see dirt color and grease color. Abrasion color is seen in gunshot and entry wound. You can see abrasion color. Thank you and thank you for watching.